This video will show you how to create a Do Now activity for students that will take you less than 5 minutes to set up. So what you want to do is click on Add. You're going to click Post Student Work. I'm going to use the drawing canvas because that gives students the most versatility in selecting their response. So I'm going to type in, so this is going to be Do Now. And remember, you can resize this box if you want to, make the font smaller. So the Do Now activity, show the number 89 in as many ways as you can. Use any of the creative tools. Okay. So I'm just going to resize this box a little bit. Oops, here we go. Let's stretch her out. Just move it. And I'm just going to lock it into place here. All right, done. That's it. I'm going to click. And remember, this could have been a prompt for writing. This could have been just something for them to share about their day. I'm going to select all students in class. Click the green check. Actually, I might want to create a folder called Do Now. It could be in math, but I'm going to go ahead and just add that. And this one does happen to be math. All right. There we go. Okay, so here it's on the student's journal. It doesn't show up in their activities. This is a Do Now. This is not an activity I assigned. It's that fast. I'm going to show you what it looks like from the student end. So I'm going to flip over to my student account. Let me refresh that screen. Okay, so now I'm on the student end of things. And what students need to know about the journal post is that they can edit it. So I'm going to go to copy and edit. So now, okay, so let's say I'm going to do 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 80 plus 9. Okay, that's my Do Now. Done. So now I'm going to go back. All right, it says it's waiting for my teacher's approval. Let's go back to the teacher side of things. Okay, so let me refresh that. Okay, so notice it didn't come up here. You need to go into your inbox. And then you're going to go to notifications. It says Darcy wants to add an item. Because remember, this is not an activity. This is their response to a post. So your responses to your Do Now posts are going to show up right there. And there is the student's work. And just like other activities, I can either approve it or I could send it back to students if I want to add more, if I want them to add more detail. That's how you create a Do Now in 5 minutes or less.